Okay, so I've been having a problem with the scooter where this handlebar assembly gets loose from here. I took the screws out, but I've tried tightening them, obviously, and there's just too much play. So I think that even though the screws would be in there tight, it's just too much play, too much force, and it loosens them out. So here's what I'm going to try. So this is just standard 8-inch white ties, cable ties, found at Harbor Freight. And here's what I'm going to think might work. So here's one. So what I'm going to do is pull this up. Took the screws out, like I said. Shoot. And I'm just going to take about that much, put it like this, like so, on one edge. Like so. Hold on. Get it in there like so. And this is at your own risk because I don't want to break my scooter, but my famous tool, caveman tool. Ouch. What I'm saying, if you do this, just be careful. Okay, so first cut this off and then voila, there's no play. I'll give an update. Thank you.